How to fix some account settings are moving on Instagram. So the very first step is by um, uninstalling or offloading or cleaning the cache of your Instagram. So to do that, you just simply go to settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and search for Instagram. Once you have done that, just simply click on offload app and then click on offload app once again. And then reinstall your Instagram app. If that step still doesn't work, then you should update your Instagram. So go to App Store, click on search, type in Instagram, and then once you have done that, simply click on the update button on Instagram. And again, if that method still doesn't work, then you should go to Instagram, go to your profile, click on this three lines found on the upper right corner, go to settings and privacy, and then go for help right here, and then report a problem. So once you have done that, you may click on report problem without shaking, click on include and continue, and type in that your settings are moving. And also include kind words such as please help me with this and say thank you afterwards. You should wait for Instagram to respond to your concern, and then that's it. That's how you can fix some account settings are moving on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.